Adding a page to your Squarespace website is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to create a new page. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and selecting the website you want to edit. Access the Pages panel. From the home menu, click on Pages. This will show you all the existing pages of your website. Add a new page. Click the plus icon or Add Page button. You will see several options, including page, folder, and link. Select page to create a standard content page. Choose a page type. Choose the type of page you want to create, such as a blank page, blog, gallery, or product page, depending on your needs. Name your page. After selecting the page type, enter a name for your page in the page title field. Edit the page content. Click on the new page to open the editor. Here, you can add text, images, videos, and other content using the content block options. Save your changes. Once you've finished editing, click Save or Publish to make the page live on your website.